especially if you are a heavy sleeper. Well, we've got some quick things that are going to happen over the next few hours. We've got this cold front that's going to move in within a snap. Temperatures are going to drop rapidly as we go throughout the afternoon hours. And then you're going to have a very small time period where you've got a chance for some winter weather. And it's not for everybody, but we're all going to be keeping a very close eye on it for you. As far as our winter weather advisories are concerned, we do have one that's going to kick in off across the plateau starting at 10 o'clock this morning, going into 10 o'clock this evening. This is not an overnight system. This is a daytime system. So if you're headed outside right now, just know in about 6 hours, it's going to look and feel completely different across the area. Right now, I mean, you can look up and see the moon. We've got a few clouds out there, but these clouds are going to quickly increase. As far as what we're picking up on the Power 5 radars, you'll notice we do have some spots that look like it's raining, but we're actually too dry. That's evaporating before hitting the surface. Seeing very similar situation just around closer into Salina. Wouldn't be surprised if you had a flake or two making its way, but overall not seeing too much right now going towards the surface. Temperatures are in the 30s and 40s with winds coming in out of our northeast around 5 to 12 miles per hour. It does feel colder, especially just over in Murray. Feels like y'all are stepping outside to 25 degrees. 28 is what it feels like in Lafayette, Nashville 32. And that's going to be a situation we have all day long. These winds are going to eventually shift directly out of our north, gusting around 20 miles per hour. So nothing to write home about, but it's enough that you're going to want to stay home or grab a jacket because it is going to get frigid fast. The system itself is going to bring some rain showers earlier on, starting around lunchtime, and this cold air is looking to catch up to it. As it does, it's going to transition into some wintry mix, followed by some snow showers. Now, if you glance at this model, it looks like, hey, we're going to have a big old snow day. But pay attention to the time clock. It doesn't stay long. Right now, we're at 3 o'clock. Previously, it was noon, so that's 3 hours. And moving its way out by dinner, still seeing some of that snow trying to make its way across the plateau before it will exit. Accumulations looking to be more of a flurry type situation on those elevated surfaces like your cars, your rooftops, but we'll keep a very close eye on how things do develop because if it slows down, things could be a little different, but it's not looking that way. Here's your 7-day forecast. We're going to hit 43 degrees at lunchtime. Then temperatures will tumble. Tomorrow morning, we're waking up clear and cold. We're going to be in the 20s in the city, outlying areas teens. By the afternoon, thanks to some sunshine, we'll top out at 40, but you still have that northerly wind. We're basically going to copy and paste that. Moving into Friday, we're just going to warm up a hair right at 48, which is typical for this time of year. Saturday night into Sunday, that's our next system that's going to move in. Your daytime temperatures will be in the 50s, but that lowers Monday and Tuesday, Amy, when we're back in the 40s. Today's obviously the best day to look out for a little winter weather falling from the sky.
All right. Thank you, Nikki-Dee. And a days-long nightmare over for one family.